Hey everybody, so today I am unboxing the VillabeauTIFFul Advent Kit. Let's go ahead and start this off with a huge spoiler warning. Okay, obviously I am going to be showing all of the contents inside the box. I will show each package wrapped individually before showing the contents, so if you've only opened up a few days and you don't want to go past that, there will be a second to pause and exit. If you want the entire thing to remain a mystery, go ahead and get out of here now, y'all. Be warned, this is showing everything in this box, in the packets, all of it. Okay, just want to be very clear so people don't get upset in the comments about it. This is the very first VillabeauTIFFul Advent Kit. It is called Pretty Little Things, and I am so excited to jump right in. So let's open this baby up and see what's inside. So we've got some very nice VillabeauTIFFul tissue paper to cover up all of our goodies. And we've got all of the packages have the numbers on them, so I'm going to go ahead and pull them all out and get them in order. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to open up is the kit envelope because it has a few more packages in here, so I'm going to unwrap this. Now this is the new packaging for the usual kits, so I've been using it to hold all of the kit leftovers, things that I haven't used in a setup yet, and it just keeps all of them together and really nicely organized. I've also seen people cutting them down to use them as envelopes or folders or dashboards in their planners. There's so many great ideas for ways to reuse this. And this is all of the different patterns you get on there, lots of bows and shoes and beauty supplies. Really pretty. It's a great start to this kit already. And now I'm going to look for package number 1. We're going to open these up in order. So this is day 1. This is what I'm going to do for every single packet. Okay, I'm going to show the package here. This is the time where you need to pause it if you don't want to see what's inside. All right, so we're opening day 1. And we've got this package of 2 tulle bow paper clips. So here they are out of the packaging, a little close-up. I love the glitter on them and the rose gold paper clips themselves. And then take a look at the back. Just if you're like me, you like to see the entire product. These are so cute. I'm loving these colors. All right, package number 2. Where are you? Oh, 2. Okay, this is package number 2. Opening it up, here we go. Package number 2 is 2 washies. So this one is a skinny and a standard roll. So you know the drill, we're gonna open these up and roll them out. All right, so first up we have the skinny roll, and this one has foiled bows. We've got rose gold foil on there, lots of different bow shapes. This is really cute. I'm gonna get so much use out of this roll. I love that one. And this is the standard size roll, and this is the same pattern that was on the kit envelope. This is just classy and feminine, all of the beauty products. Definitely something I equate with the VillabeauTIFFul brand. So pretty. Okay, day 3. Here we go. We're opening day 3. This packaging is really cute too. I like all the different patterns that she used on the papers. Well, we knew that was coming. We've got our first Advent pin, and since she is a sweetheart, she also included the ink refill. All right, I'm gonna take this out really quick. All right, so here it is out of the packaging. Isn't it so pretty? I love this shade of pink for the barrels. We've got rose gold hardware, and then, oops, get real close on those crystals. Looks like we've got some pinky peach tones and clear iridescent. Such a beautiful combination. I don't know the names of the pins in this kit, but they will be revealed if you check out VillabeauTIFFul's YouTube. She's going to have a reveal video coming out where I know that she'll have all of this information for you. And it'll be in the Facebook group, I'm assuming after Christmas, once everyone has a chance to open up all of their kits and enjoy all of their items if they want it to be a mystery. All right, now moving on to number 4. Package number 4. Oh my gosh, it's a notepad. All right. This is really pretty, and it's like large too. So you've got the foiled quote at the top and the border, and then the bottom has this really cute little shelf decor. Those shoes are adorable. And then let's see if it's a sticky notepad. Okay, it's not sticky, so it is just a regular notepad, but I have a feeling I'm going to laminate this and either punch it to go on something or, I don't know, tape it down on something else. This is definitely for sure one of these sheets is getting laminated to add into my planner because that is so pretty. And moving on to package number 5. Number 5, here we go. Some of these are giving me more trouble than others. I don't want to rip the bags. Let's see. Oh, dainty stickers. Let me open these up. Okay, so these are perfect for like nail decals or sticking onto the barrel of your VB pens or just using as teeny tiny little deco in your planner. And of course they are all rose gold foiled. What? Wait, I see one that's not foiled. There's a couple, okay. There's a couple that's not foiled. But they are super pretty. I put one of these on my earbuds case just because I thought it was, you know, pink and foiled and pretty. And I love the little tiny, just like mini things. They make me happy for some reason. I don't know why. These are super cute though. And moving on to day 6. Oops, sorry, I didn't do. Day 6, here we go. There you go. Time to pause and get out. Okay. And I just hate it when people get their surprises spoiled for them, so I'm trying to be very mindful of that. All right, so day 6 is another VB pen with another refill. And here is that one. So this one has kind of a lavendery pink tone to it. I'm not sure what this color is called, but it's really nice. And then you've got the rose gold hardware and then some really pretty crystals. Looks like clear iridescent in the same color. I'm trying to think, the name of this color is like escaping me at the moment. I hate when that happens. But it feels like purpley undertones to me. That sounds very professional. Really gorgeous pen. All right, now we're going to day 7. Opening it up. Here we go. Oh no, I was doing so well. Well, completely ruined that sticker. Oh well. All right, day 7 is our sticker book. Let me open this up so we can get this glare off of there. All right, here we go. So we've got November 2019, the kit date, and Pretty Little Things, the kit name here. Her new logo looks beautiful on there, and she did include this extra deco sheet again. It is all foiled. So you've got the, oh, okay. So this is a little hint. Sorry to spoil this. Just pause this right now. In all of these deco sheets so far, she has included little illustrations of the pens that are included in the kits. There are 3 pens here. We have opened 2 pens so far. Now normally they'll have the name on it. These don't. But, oh, I love this clipboard too. Like the little makeup details. So pretty. All right, so let's flip through this sticker book here. So this is our first page with all of the full boxes. So this is the box, or the design from the notepad. That swan is so pretty. And then we've got the functional sheet with all of your circle icons, a couple of bill labels. Then we've got another sheet of the full boxes, the clipboards, and the little quarter boxes down at the bottom. A full sheet of half boxes, which I love. This just makes the kits last for so long for me. Then we've got some more labels and headers. The little scallop boxes have bows on them. It's really pretty. And then a full sheet of amazing deco. Let's get real close on those. I love this building and the flat lays, of course. And then this bottom one says you're a limited edition. That's nice. Then we've got 2 sets of date covers, which again, I'm glad you started doing this because it makes it so much easier for me to have matching layouts multiple weeks. And then the tab sticker is perfect for marking your week in your planner or adding to page markers. We've got the checklist and flags. This one is super cute. And this one has a little perfume bottle on there. I just love all of the little details. She really puts a lot of thought and creativity into these kits. And then this is the mini planner sheet. I mean, it could be used for PP weeks or hobo weeks. Any of those. Like, look at that bottom washi. That's pretty. I like to use these icons and small little sticky notes in my monthly layouts just because they're a little bit smaller so they fit well, but you've also got the date covers and tiny checklists which can be used So pretty much any planner, or if you like to make your own planner, if you're one of those bullet journalers, you've got stuff to last you quite a bit in this sticker book. All right, so now we're going to move on to number 8. Oh, cute! It's an enamel charm. All right, so this one has a little gemstone stuck in it, and it's a pink polka dotted bow. That's really cute. So this would be great, like if you have a happy planner to stick through your discs or onto the loop of your planner bags. This is really adorable. A little enamel charm. And number 9, I'm sure based on this packaging we can all guess what this is, but I'll still give you a second to pause and exit if you don't want to know. And our third VB pen with a refill. So this one is like a really pretty kind of grayish color. It's matte, which is, I mean, stunning. Rose gold hardware. And then we've got some clear crystals in there. I think that's the only color, yeah. It's really pretty though. Oh my goodness. I love the matte pens. They're like my favorite designs that she's been putting out lately. Oh, they look so good. Next, we're opening number 10. Number 10, here we go. This one feels fluffy. All right, let's take it out of this packaging. Okay, so it's some kind of fabric. It feels like a waterproof type of fabric, you know what I mean? And it's got the bows all over it. There's a VB logo. Let's see. Okay, you're getting somewhere. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that's a lot folded in there. Oh, it's a shopping bag, or like a tote bag. That thing's, it's pretty, it's not even fitting on my screen. That's pretty big. You see the size of this thing? Wow, pretty. Oh, it's got a little pocket here. I guess, I mean, that's what it folds into, but also, you just tuck your stuff in there. Yeah, it's a tote bag. That is freaking big. Oh, I love the versatility of it. You can keep it folded up in your purse and use it for quick shopping trips. You never know when you'll need a little bag. I've learned that definitely as a mom to always have a bag on hand. And this is much prettier than like the Walmart and Publix bags I normally have. Oh, this is really cool. All right, number 11. We're opening package 11 here. A pen holder. Oh, this is new. This is metal. Oh, it's like a coil type thing. What are these things called? Like a spring. I love the little design here, though, of the fragrance with the bow. It's really cute. This is interesting. I don't know. Let's see. Slide one of these pins in here. Oh, squeaks. Okay. It squeaks. Be warned. Slide that in there gently so it doesn't scratch anything. All right, so it just clips onto the side of your stuff then. Interesting. So it's removable. I love that. Be careful with the scratching if you know, whenever you're taking your pins in and out, and of the squeaking if you're very sensitive to sound like I am. But yeah, I like this design. That's cool. This is new. It's pretty unique, actually. I don't think I've seen something like this before. So this is day 11. All right, then we have day 12, which came in this very large bag. Let's see. Open it up. Day 12. Here we go. It's a little folio. Oh my gosh. And there's a gorgeous pink too. With the new logo at the bottom. Silver hardware. What's inside? Oh, look how cute and tiny this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got a couple little pockets, like the mesh kind. So you've got 2 on each side. And is this for your pins? I mean, it definitely fits in there, right? Oh yeah, it tucks. It tucks nicely in there. Okay, let's see what all fits in here. Oh, I like this. Okay, new little kit holder for on-the-go planning. That is amazing. I want to see what else will fit in here, but I won't do that on the screen. This is so, I mean, I love this, you guys. Like when you expect, or when you get your Advent kit, it's a mystery, so you never know what to expect. And this totally worth it. I love this. Oh my goodness. Yep, I'm gonna have to go set this up. Too cute. And like super generous to all of the stuff that's in this kit. And I'm not even finished because she also included a paper pack. All right, so let me open this up. All right, so these are just like the regular kit papers, it seems. Yeah, we get 4 decorative cardstocks and 2 vellums. So I will flip through those. They are 8.5 by 11 inch and they are folded in half. This one's got a really nice kind of brush stroke, very faint pattern with some vines on it. And then the second vellum is floral with polka dots. And then we've got this kind of abstract, I don't know, with bows. And then brush strokes and pretty glitter stars. Oh, this one's cute. It's got the florals. And then the bigger brush stroke pattern. And then bows and polka dots. Oh, I like this one, the different hexagons. And then larger hexagons, different color scheme there. Well, I mean, it's still the same color scheme, but like, I don't know, I like it better. And we've got the really pretty pink with the glitter stars on this one. These look so good together. I'm really excited about the different combinations you can make with this. Like, I like to trim them down, usually just a little bit off the top and side to make dividers for my planner. Yeah, these are really pretty. Like, this entire kit is so cohesive and gorgeous. I mean, I'm just pulling the stuff off over here from the sides. I've never done an advent calendar before, planner-wise, so this is like, it could be just my first impression, not really knowing what else is out there. But this is amazing, y'all. Like, totally blew my expectations out of the water. So it's like you get your regular kit stuff. You're not missing out on anything from the regular kits. But then you also get all of these fun things. Can't forget the folio, of course. And the tote bag. So you've got your planner things. You've got I mean, even if something is not your style, like all of this would make really great gifts and stocking stuffers too. Yeah, I am super satisfied with this one. Look at these pins together. Get them up here. So pretty. Yes, so please do not share any pictures or any of that. Some people want to wait until, 12 days before Christmas and open everything one day at a time, and I think it's really important to be respectful of that and mindful. If you are going to share photos or videos, please add a disclaimer and like a cover photo that doesn't show anything, because Christmas is a magical time and I really want to make sure that everyone gets to enjoy this to its fullest extent because it is truly worth it. And my best Billy Mays impression. But wait, there's more! Can't forget the digitals that are also included with every kit pre-order. And if you're not sure what to do with the digitals or any of the items in the kits, I highly recommend checking out the blog on the VillabeauTIFFul website. The design team has put together some really fun projects and tutorials. I hope that if you order this kit, you love it as much as I do. And if you missed out, be sure to keep an eye on the Facebook group and on the newsletter for kit extras to be available. As always, links and discount codes are in the description below. Drop a comment if you have a question, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.